This video is entirely AI generated. From the voice to the visuals, everything you see was produced automatically. How is this possible? With AutoShorts.ai, you can harness the power of AI to create impactful videos that promote vital social causes. Imagine raising awareness about environmental issues, human rights, or health awareness, all while saving time and effort. AutoShorts.ai allows you to choose the topic that resonates with your cause and set preferences like voice models and languages. Once configured, the platform generates your video, ensuring a professional touch every time. You can preview, edit, and schedule these videos to go live on your chosen channels, creating a consistent voice for your cause. By automating video production, you can focus on the message rather than the mechanics. Engaging visuals can draw attention to pressing issues, allowing your audience to connect emotionally with the content. With AutoShorts.ai, your advocacy can reach broader audiences, making a significant impact without the usual hassle of video editing. Embrace this innovative tool and let your passion for change shine through captivating video content. Start creating today and amplify your message effortlessly.